I am not understanding why Nandipha Makudumana went to court to stop that documentary from airing, because that thing portrays her as a victim. Like those voice notes, Thabo Pesta. Thabo, mina ngiyitshela ngingakukhahlela mfanami, ngakukhahlela kuthi Facebook what killer. I'm killer cow. I'm killer Foslo. Ngingakubonisa mesh on gravy. No, I'm lying. I don't know how to fight, but you guys know what I mean. Like, but Utabo, who does he must really. I know he's in solitary confinement. They must open the basement of that confinement. Utabo must already be in hell. I know he must suffer, but he must already be in hell in my books. Okay? Ha! Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami bomntaba kadayari, bomntaba kagogo, bomntaba ka-auntie, bomntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Guys, we have our special again because I've seen the WhatsAppies. Guys, it can't be every month. Okay, this month because we have a giveaway, we need every coin we can get. We are doing the special until Friday. So Mtwarek Amukhala, it's going to be 200 for channel shout outs. Okay, Mtwarek Amukhala, it's only up to Friday. Nah, businesses it's 400. Businesses it's 400. Just until Friday, it's 400 for businesses and 200 for YouTube channels. Nah, after this, guys, no, we must survive, guys. We have junior management, we have supervisors we need to take care of. Don't do that. Nah? Yeah, guys, that Beauty and the Best, was it necessary? No, I want to hear it from you. Like, was it necessary? Didn't we watch something like this on Showmax called Tracking Besta? In Netflix, what did it think that it was going to do that is so spectacular? You know, especially when there was a court involved, I thought they were really going to tell us something new, something different. This thing just showed us that Peltusi has confused us more than that advertise of Lovers Plus. Peltusi Uti Thabo Besta took out a knife on her, then she took him to church, and then the police. Pearl, I'm really gonna need you to clock in, lock in, and just tell us word by word, my sister. Why does it seem like you and I did Angie Mutaha syllabus? I was so confused by you. Penny Libiane was speaking there as Nandipha's client, and it felt like she was reviewing a series of Housewives of Devon or Housewives of Johannesburg. The way she was, no, like that documentary really confused me. The only new thing was at the father and the mom like were really devastated by what Nandipha put them through, especially the father. Nandipha put her father under the jail, okay, for love. That Mjolo, guys. I wonder if Orsaga Thabo Besta Ayase Roots or Ayase Checkers. The things Nandipha did for that man, abandoned. You know what? I can't say I don't want to judge because we've been judging her since, especially because people were unalived, all in the name of that Bonnie and Clyde Mjolo. People, and I'm not happy that they did not spend enough time talking to us about the victim that lost his life and that was chuckled in that cell 35. I'm not happy. We should have seen the victim's family, the victim's life, and so that we understand the magnitude and the gravity of the situation. And when Tabo, don't go there in the court and speak like Nelly M. You're not in the Rivonia trial, Putam. This is not Robben Island, okay? You deserve to be where you are. Uvumelana? Oh. Okay. And guys, can I just get a few 2-3 seconds, guys? My niece is on YouTube, okay? I've been on her to be consistent before I do her channel shout out. She has a channel where she really crashes out. I witnessed these crashes, these crashing outs in real life. Okay, please watch her with me as she is a film and television student. I am so proud of her. She's a graduate and she's now doing her postgrad at AFDA. Okay, like please go there, support her. Let us take her to 1,000 subscribers. She is almost there. She is almost there. Can she monetize so she can leave our pockets alone? Angel, take it away.
Hi guys, my name is Angel Manchu. Come over to my channel where I'll be doing some vlogs, crashing out, literally crashing out, guys. And my life is not a steady, so don't expect steady content. Okay, so come over, come join me as I be my crazy self. Come, we're not I make nice content, guys. As Sims, she will tell you. I really hope to see you there soon. Under my comments, under my likes, under my views. Listen, your support is highly appreciated. Okay?
Why? Why you finding out on camera that your fingerprints they are stuck on your boyfriend's phone? I'm lying. I'm lying. My fingerprints back on his phone. This is his phone. I'm going to read something. So yesterday I did a video, right, of the friendship breakup between Umendi Dlangisa, millennial mom. I kept calling her the millionaire mom. I'm manifesting for you, Mandy. So she and Auntie T is a lifestyle content creator in her 40s, and she's just showing us content of life in your 40s, right? Love both ladies, but lately there has been a lot of hoorah around Auntie T and her friendship breakups because with all the videos we've seen, people keep saying that she does not talk good about them behind their backs, right? So then, yesterday, Auntie T finally spoke up through her Instagram and she put up a post on her stories saying this. Hello, besties. I want to share something that has been heavy on my heart recently. My name has been dragged on social media, and honestly, it hurts, especially when half of the information has been shared. I had conversations between friends and when friendships fall out. Sometimes things get shared, those things are one-sided. I do not want to go back and forth on this matter, but those in my life know me, know my intent and know my heart. I'm so grateful for the calls, messages and support I've received from many of you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. It really means a lot. It hurts, but it's fine. I choose to focus on moving forward and on the love that surrounds me. Magwande Ukanye. So this was a statement from Auntie T. I'm assuming she's seen maybe my video or the other videos that are on YouTube regarding her name and the friends that she has broken up with, speaking about how their friendships with her disintegrated due to mabari bari, my him, you know. Now, as she has said, yes, there are two sides to a story, right? There were two ladies that spoke about Auntie T, right? Prior to Mandy, the millennial mom. Now, a lot of people, I've been reading a lot of comments, and guys, can I also put this disclaimer up? Just because I put a heart on your comment, I'm not saying I agree with you. I am saying that I acknowledge your comment that you have commented. I'm not putting hearts because I'm agreeing with you. I love responding and I would wish to respond to everyone individually to put out my thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Unfortunately, there's a lot of comments, there's a lot of you, there's a lot of content. So, in order for you to see that I see your comment, I put a heart, not necessarily because I agree with you. But sometimes when a comment is truly shocking or really like insane, I either delete or respond. That's how I operate on this channel. But I always want to acknowledge everyone that comments because you guys take your time to type these comments. So I acknowledge by putting a heart. I see. So I see every comment. I know everyone that comments. And some people, I know them because they comment on every video. Yes, that's a disclaimer I wanted to put out. So in the comment section yesterday, I was seeing that these people had a friendship fallout behind the scenes, and the ladies came on the channels to tell us this information about their friendship fallout with Auntie T, which seemed very calculated on their parts, because they knew that once they brought this information online, it would trigger a response from followers and subscribers. Therefore, people would go now and gun for Auntie T. That is what people were saying. Okay, you guys fell out in away from the cameras, or however you guys fell out. Why did you guys not confront each other individually and in person? Because now when you come on your camera and then you tell us, you fell out with Mang Mang and Mang Mang and Mang Mang, our followers are gonna come. Our followers are gonna get triggered, obviously, and they're gonna come and then attack that person that is talking badly behind your back, allegedly, you know. So then that was what I was seeing also on the comment section. And then obviously it's always the ones that are gonna defend their faves. People were defending Mandy, people were defending Auntie T. And what I'm not going to feel a type of way about is people saying, seems guys, this information was already online. There were videos that were made about this. I am a commentary channel. And I do speak about my colleagues, okay? Especially if this thing was happening already online. So what do you mean? Hi, seems now we're in. Ni train mina. Angsi shosholoz, angsi kutum. No. The commentary channel. You come here and you expect me to talk about what? Kara Asmal. Ngonde Balfo. Petrus Mutip. Of course I must talk about Petrus Mutip. But what do you mean? You know? So yeah, man. So as she was saying, Auntie T on her statement, there are two sides to a story. And so far we have received one-sided information from the other girls, because she has decided not to talk much on this or give us any information to related to how she and the other ladies broke up or fell apart. So it is up to what they are saying, and then us to fill in the gaps with our minds. And then she just chooses to move forward and Bukanye Kwande. You see, there are always three sides: theirs, and the truth. So yeah, guys, like I said yesterday, not everyone is your friend. Okay? Stop putting people deep down in your hearts because you've seen each other once, twice, three times at events, or you happen to do the same content, or you happen to be in the same niche. There's a lot that goes into quantifying what a friendship is. Okay? Just because you guys look good on pictures and you look cute on Instagram stories does not make you guys friends. Yes, it is good that you've got nice energy, good energy. You are vibeable, you are lovable, you are likable. It's good. It's amazing. But be able to distinguish between acquaintances, friends, colleagues, lovers, so that we don't have too many of these videos, because it hurts when we see you guys fall apart, because we think you guys are like, okay, that's my friend, because you guys use the word friend loosely. So we keep thinking, oh, I'm a chum. Kandi, Judas Iscariot. Is the Mascaria of the Iscariot. What? Anyway, if you print time yesebenze for inyomfana, so men are not that bad. Yeah, I would never. Yeah. Ngingalala ngiswabile.